Hi crew, this is Lex, and this month we're going to be looking at the Jack Daw core box from Malifaux. So inside we've got the cards for Jack Daw, Lady Ligera, Montressa, and the Guilty, along with upgrades. So Jack Daw is dual faction, outcasts, and reses, and in the box we've got a bunch of stuff. Oh, new bases and old bases. We've got a mix of old and new. This is really cool. So this is the old sort of base from Malifaux. Wait, this is the old base. This is the new base. So you can see they're slightly shallower, but also deeper that way. I really get around to doing a video on bases from Malifaux. Jack Daw is on a 30mm base. Montressa is on a 50mm base. Guilties are on 40mm bases. And Lady Ligera is on a 30mm base as well. Then you've got the upgrades for Jack Daw, because he hands out upgrades for the next 5 weeks. So this is first week. This is a general overview of what's in the box, and then we'll go on week by week. We're going to go through building them. So we're going to start with Jack Daw here, then Lady Ligera, his totem, Montressa, and the Guilty. And they're all in one sprue, which is really handy. So I guess we'll see you back next week, where we're going to be tackling Jack Daw and possibly talking about some history and inspiration for the 3 main ones: Jack Daw, Lady Ligera, and Montressa. Lots of Edgar Allan Poe. And Guilty, we'll do some research on, see if we can find there's any story-related stuff for them, as opposed to just like horrible ways to be killed. Awesome. We'll see you back here in a week's time. Have a good week. Enjoy Spooktober. Bye.